The Philippine National Police, or PNP, said it is investigating the recent rescue operation of Chinese kidnapped victims in Angeles City, Pampanga. The PNP is looking into reports on whether it was a case of friendly fire that resulted in the death of a police officer. PNP spokesperson Police Colonel Jean Fajardo says PNP Chief Police General Romel Marbil assured the family of the deceased cop that those responsible will be held accountable.
Kung mapapatunayan, sir, na nanggaling sa friendly fire po, sir, yung nakapatay sa polis, definitely, sir, mananagot po ito. Yun po yung commitment po na ibinigay po ng ating PNP na mananagot kung sino man po ang nakapatay at nakasugat, regardless kung saan po nanggaling po ito. Kung ito po ay mapapatunayan na galing po sa aming hanay, sir, ay wala po tayong itatago at papanagutin po yun. Yun po yung ibinigay na assurance ng ating PNP personally doon po sa mga pamilya ng mga namatay at nasugatan dito po sa operations po na ito.